another video. This one we're doing another Universal Yums box. See it there. And this one didn't tell us where it's from. So we'll have to see when we open it. And we're here with the Crazy Kids again, and we have Carlo, Cruz, and Isabella. Just in case anybody forgot. Okay, on the inside it says this is from Greece. I don't think I've ever had... Yeah, that's a lie. I've had Greek food. So I lied. Oh, it's just an advertisement for Halloween. And then we have the book that tells you what comes in it. It has like trivia and it has other stuff. If you want to look at that. So let's get started. So first we have tatis bruschettini pizza. So some kind of crackers and they taste like pizza. Let's see.
Let's hope they taste
They smell like pizza.
I can't really tell if they smell like pizza or not.
They're like hard, like
oh, they do.
Like croutons almost. Mine's broken, but you can kind of see.
Mmm. You know like the little breads you got in your salad.
Yeah. They're like crouton type. They're that hard. But they're good. They're flavorful. I think I need another one.
We have a chip or something like that, just like that here. You know, you can definitely buy them by the chicken and the biscuit. They come in like the same box. They might even be the same company in a different flavor.
Again, these aren't like extremely flavored. They're very mild. They're good. I think they're a hit. You got thumbs up for me.
I do like those.
Alright, we're going to skip around and do a sweet now. Let me finish eating. That was good. Serenata Triplo. I think it's from the same Totus. No idea.
Oh look, a lot of them are from there.
Totus. Oh yeah. I wonder if Totus is like Frito-Lay there where they make everything. Okay. Oh, I smashed it.
Your boys.
Oh, what the heck? It's like soft.
But like hard. You see how hard I have to smash it to get a piece? That's good. It's chocolate and what, nuts?
A wafer cookie or something.
Yeah, it is.
It kind of tastes like.
It's good, but it's a lot. You need like a cup of milk. Just like what?
I don't know what they're called. We have a candy and it's like chocolate wafer cookie, and then it's like all dipped in chocolate again. That's what it's like. It's similar though.
I think it tastes like the chocolate covered cherries.
Oh, it does have like the same cookie inside as a Kit Kat.
Yeah.
The chocolate.
That's pretty good. I guess Cruz is a fan. He ate the whole
Yeah, Cruz like them.
cheese. Okay, next we have, this is from the same brand, Totus Chips Oregano. I bet I'm gonna like these. I really like oregano. Kind of just tastes like oregano. It's
similar. They kind of have like a similar taste of pizza chips.
Yeah, because pizza has oregano.
Oregano.
They're pretty good. They're not as salty as our chips, which I kind of like, but they do have a good taste.
Those are good. I love those.
Wow. Look at these.
That's big.
I think this is sweet. Yeah, there's chocolate in the middle. So I have no clue what that says. I mean, sweet bread with chocolatey cream filling. And they're like fat. Look at that. It's completely full. Oh no. Well, that's good. Let me show the camera the whole thing.
Whoa.
So it's like a whole roll. That's kind of cool. Smells good too.
This is like the same idea as like the color bread you can buy here at the like bakery with the stuff in the middle. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Same idea, I think. Smells like lemony kind of.
Lemony?
Yeah.
I kind of just smell the bread, like the sweet bread.
Yeah.
Okay.
The chocolate kind of tastes
all
weird.
the chocolate's like in little balls in the bread.
Yeah, I like it. It's an okay,
The bread?
but not really good.
The bread has a flavor that I can't put my finger on.
Oh.
It's not really sweet either. It's
It tastes like black licorice.
Oh, that's what I don't like about it. Then I don't like black licorice.
I don't like licorice.
So that was kind of weird. I thought the bread was gonna be sweet, and it's not even. And then it tastes like licorice, which is odd.
You taste licorice too?
Yeah, I like couldn't put my finger on it, but that's totally
Yeah.
weird.
Interesting.
Look at your arm.
You're still finishing the chocolate? You got it on your arm.
So this is, yeah, we don't know. Mini breadsticks, basil pesto.
I feel like these would taste like pizza too.
Yeah, little breadsticks, it says. So, these are going to be a hit.
Dang, everything,
Oh, and a little baby. Just a little baby.
everything from Greece so far is really good, except for the little bread things. But I think that's just my opinion because we don't like licorice.
I love pesto. Those are really good. Again, like I noticed, they're not as flavored as our chips would be. They're like lightly flavored, which isn't a terrible thing. Those are really good. I give it 2 thumbs up.
They're pretty good.
It's good, but it's not bad.
Quit bogarting them.
Okay.
No one likes them.
They're good.
Here's your chippy.
They all taste like pizza. That's all they send us with
These ones
pizza.
are my favorite. These ones?
They're like,
I like all 3.
yeah. They're good though.
Looks like the last ones are all, they're all sweet, so I guess it doesn't matter which one we get. All these are like baklava.
Oh, I love
Baklava.
Yeah, I can't read any of that except Oriental, but it looks like baklava. And I think that's what it's gonna be like. Those were really good. I like them.
I'm gonna like these.
If I can open it, look at the thing.
Oh, and my back
Look
again.
at them.
It's just a little baby. They're so cute. Look, they don't even fall out.
Once you do that, all of them just fall.
You guys want one for yourselves?
I think it is like baklava.
I just want a piece, like not even half, just a
Definitely like
piece.
little like crushed up skins or something.
I think it's exactly baklava.
Yeah.
They just call it something else in Greece.
Mmm.
Yeah,
Oh, blah.
I love baklava, and apparently they do too. So
Oh, baklava.
that's all it is.
Oh, we went to
Wonderful.
We went to like the little Greece festival thing. What's it called, Carlos?
The Grecian festival. And they had like baklava sundae and different
And it was
stuff
so
like that.
good.
I need to love that.
I think the rest of these are sweet, so it doesn't really matter which one we get. Man, that was good.
Oh, what the heck? We have some like those here too.
Minos nut bars, peanut and honey. Look at that sesame seeds on it too. Let's see. What is going on? Yeah, I'm not happening. I'm trying to break a piece. Try and break like a couple pieces because they're not going to be able to get. Because it's hard.
Just like a little granola bar.
Kind of, but hard with the honey, I guess.
Wait.
Thank you.
Oh, it tastes like something I have, but I don't know what it's called. Like,
I can't even write it.
this tastes familiar.
It doesn't taste like much. I mean, it's not bad. It's almost like lacking in flavor.
I like it.
But I don't like that it's hard as a rock.
And it sticks to your teeth.
And it's good for your teeth.
It definitely
Oh.
stuck
No, the
there.
flavor's not terrible, but the texture,
Mm-hmm.
it's hard. We could barely break it.
I think it's because of like the natural honey and stuff. It like dries.
I think because the last one it
Black
gave me a weird
friction's like
flavor.
peanut brittle or something. But not
It
that.
does taste like
But
peanut.
it was honey.
And peanuts.
You can taste the peanuts, definitely, but
Not really a honey.
mm,
There's some kind of shade on there though.
I mean, honey's just like the sweet, but it was hard, and it does get stuck in your teeth. So the next one we have here is the King Soft Cookie Dark Chocolate Chunks.
Ow.
Wow,
Maybe just one small piece.
we do. I've had a lot of sweet.
There's a
Oh,
Just
it's
like a chocolate cookie. Yeah, I mean, totally just a chocolate cookie. It's nice and sweet, very chocolatey.
Super soft.
It is really soft.
Makes me like it.
Alright.
It tastes like one of those protein cookies.
You
Mhm.
think so?
Yeah.
I don't think I've
'Cause
had a
I
birthday cookie.
I think those ones are super soft like those two.
They have the same texture.
I wonder if you read the back if there's a bunch of protein in there.
Maybe.
So,
It's a
I
different
have
language.
no idea what any of this says.
there.
Looks like a chocolate donut. Oh, here in the back. Natural and artificial grape must flavored soft cookie. I'm not excited with the grape. I no.
I have a bit
Could we
flavored
not?
water.
Grape
I'm
must.
drinking
Just
some
sound
raspberry tea.
I don't like. They're totally crumbled, by the way.
Definitely gives me like fall smells.
Oh, it sounds
It smells like gingerbread for some reason.
Yeah, that's why I think I'm getting like seasonal smells.
It's like crumbs all over me. It smells like gingerbread, kind of tastes like it, which doesn't make any sense because it's supposed to be grape.
Like a not all the way cooked because it's kind of soft still.
It's very soft.
after the aftertaste, you kind of taste a little bit of grape.
A little bit I got.
I don't taste the grape. I totally taste ginger.
That's all I
I
taste
think
is
maybe
It's
one
ginger.
of
even-
those with fillings again. and we
It
just
even
make it.
has the Let's see. Let's break it apart and see that. Look, they broke it and there's no filling. That's weird. I wonder if this is one of those things where they call grape like a different thing than us. It's kind of hard to tell because of the as like a sticker on the back. This is grape juice concentrate. Okay, the last thing we have in here is the Serenata finger, and it's from Totus as well. And it's totally just like a chocolate bar, like wafers and chocolate. So let's try this out.
Ow. I can have it.
It's like a Twix, but even softer.
Get the bigger piece.
And I have chocolate all over my hands. Yeah,
Good.
more like a Kit Kat. Even more like a Kit Kat, but softer.
Mhm.
What do you guys think? Hello?
That one's pretty bad.
Bella's not a fan.
Huh?
Did you
Bella's
take the
not
whole
a fan.
thing?
No, I like it.
Oh, they're
I told you-
pomegranate.
Oh, this is like tomato.
Pomegranate honey.
Okay, so there's 4 pomegranates. There's 4 of these. And 4 of these.
Frushiri. Jelly candy. Crop.
Uzo.
Oh, I didn't even show you guys. I'm lame. So the last was the blind bag. We already opened it, obviously. So we didn't see what it was before, and it came with three candies and 4 of each.
And we're starting
weird,
off
they're
with
like-
the blue
They're
one.
like all different. Fill them all.
We're starting off with the blue one.
I guess we're starting off with the bluest.
It's called Ozu or Ozo.
Look, it's clear.
Oh.
They look
it's a
like
mothball.
they look like the,
It looks like a moth ball.
they look like the top of like a little sucker.
Oh my god, flavor.
I don't taste anything. I can only taste
Kinda
the
got
chocolate.
the licorice flavor again.
Tastes like licorice.
Yeah.
Oh, I taste it now.
Oh,
Yeah.
no, that wasn't it.
Totally tastes like black licorice. I think we should save the pomegranate for last, because I think that's going to be the best. Oh, this is
Yeah.
honey,
Yeah,
so
so I don't know.
this
It's
one might be
either
pretty good,
pomegranate-
too.
Pomegranate versus honey right now.
Yeah, it's soft.
There's a little like wrapper on it.
So this is what it looks like.
It's like taffy. And this, it has a hint of honey.
Oh my gosh.
Well,
Have you ever had the Burt's Bees honey chapstick?
mm-hmm.
It tastes exactly like that. Like, it has like kind of off honey taste.
You want to borrow his chapstick? He eats it. It's okay. I mean, it tastes like honey.
I think it tastes like Vaseline.
I stuck in my teeth. Vaseline? Okay, she eats Vaseline, so...
No.
It was okay.
Actually, that was kind of good.
Alright, now try.
It doesn't. I don't
Hold
eat it.
on.
It's like this now.
Oh, I'm sorry. We're going to let her so it smells good, though. Cruz is still chewy. What do you think of that one, Cruz? He ate the whole thing. No wonder he's still chewing. I just had a bite.
So it looks like this. Kind of looks like the.
I already know exactly what this tastes like. I want to see if you can.
Swedish fish.
No,
No, like
much better than
when
Swedish
you
fish.
get the little raspberries.
Raspberry things.
The raspberries in the red and black.
Yeah,
That's what
Totally.
they taste like.
this is good. Like, really good. Really sweet. That's a dumb dump. I'm going to agree with Cruz on this one. Told you pomegranate was going to be the best one.
It's kind of weird.
So
They put pomegranate, but for us, it makes us think of the raspberry candy.
Okay, so out of the... I mean, we liked all of these, so it's not even like a competition. All
Yeah.
three...
The raspberries,
Wait, we moved on.
oh,
That's pomegranate.
the pomegranate, and the honey were like the best ones.
We liked all of the
Chips and crackers.
cracker things. Yeah, we liked all of those. Out of all the other stuff,
They were okay.
They were all
this
right.
was good.
Actually, the baklava was good. I do like that one.
baklava.
Oh yeah, I think that was my favorite. This
These
was good. It was
pomegranate-
a bit sweet for me, but it was still good.
The
For me, wait,
pomegranate is my favorite.
And this
I'm a
box,
bit
all the stuff we
hyper-
didn't like kind of tasted the same or like similar.
Yeah, if you don't like licorice, I wouldn't recommend a lot of candy from Greece. And we don't like licorice, so we weren't a fan of those.
Yeah.
Other than that, everything was pretty good. Oh, this was not.
Yeah,
I
that-
can't even
I
that
don't know
tastes
how
weird.
the chocolate tasted like licorice.
The bread thing, this was a fail. I don't know what is going on there.
We didn't like it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I got it on my hand.
What are you doing?
Alright guys, that's all we have for you for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Bye.